First up is this awesome old trolley turned camper. It not only needed metal restored, but also wood refreshed and even rust and bondo removed. With the help of Dustless blasting and a skilled contractor, this trolley was ready for its new look. Next up, an artist needed this salvaged airplane door stripped down to bare metal in order for it to be used as a canvas for some truly spectacular art. Last up is an old refrigerator made by none other than General Motors? The rust and corrosion was stripped off in no time, and this antique fridge was on its way back to its former glory. These are just a few of the things being blasted all around the country with Dustless blasting.